Uptime delivered by Ford Fleet Management. Uptime maximizes the productivity of your business with 3 core services: Smart Maintenance, Proactive Uptime, and Ford Pro. Smart Maintenance uses connected vehicle data to reduce breakdowns and give you a complete health overview for all of your vehicles. Ford Fleet Management proactively manages health codes for your vehicles, ensuring all alerts are actioned, as well as scheduling maintenance and repairs to help you avoid unexpected downtime. Ford Service Pro offers rapid repairs and servicing. With extended opening hours and mobile service vans, express servicing can be completed at a time and location that suits you. You can also stay up to date on the status of each of your vehicles with Ford Telematics and Ford Telematics Drive. And the dedicated Ford Fleet Management team at the Ford Life Centre uses the power of the entire Ford network to deliver the fastest possible turnaround. By utilising detailed real-time data, these specialist agents keep your fleet moving. Uptime by Ford Fleet Management is a bespoke uptime solution designed to meet your specific business requirements and gives you the tools you need to keep your operation up and running. Because when vehicles stop, business stops. Get in touch to discuss how we can optimize your fleet's uptime. Ford Fleet Management.